All right, well, it's Monday morning here. George is getting hydrated. A bunch of boxes arriving. What's up, LMF? Look at him, he's angry. Let's see what we got going on here. Ooh, 256. Yes, sir. Papi, para YouTube. Yep. If you saw our last video, well, now you know. Cat's out of the bag. And now we got this Z36 that we also just been finishing up in the last... it was on the lift last time I did our video. Our most recent video was on the lift, but as you can see, hot side needs to get ceramic coated. Don't mind that. This is pretty intricate. I really like this design. It's kind of cute, actually. Hella pie cuts. But this is a built S52. It's got ID, I think 2200s. It's pretty cool. She's a little dirty, but she's gonna be a ripper as soon as she's done, so that's pretty cool. IS300 wagon, crossport, yes sir. Rolla, yes sir. Let's get it. So, quick little shop update. We got our dyno put in. That's pretty cool. That's going hard. And shout out to the Drift HQ squad and Andrew Marr. We got ourselves a nice little taxi for this weekend. Check this thing out. It's 2JZ. Pretty sweet. Hell yeah. What would you do without some good friends? That's for sure. 2JZ, no shit. All right. Excited to rip this thing around Sebring this weekend. Got a cool little Easter egg here. Check this out. This is my favorite thing about the car. That shit is hilarious. So yeah, we're Pro-Am prep round 2. If you saw our last video, well, you know we're not driving the RX-7. So let's show you guys what we're driving. And let's go this way. 2J still looking pretty. Bunch of boxes. And we got this Drift HQ green vehicle sponsored by Andrew Maurer. Thank you for your maiden voyage for the weekend. Oh, hold on. Need 2 hands for this. Hold on. Okay. And we're back. And she is little 2JZ, you know. Gonna go over the rule book real quick, get that going. So this is gonna be fun. We got a bunch of work cut out for us. We are getting this car ready, so pretty excited. My drift rental. We also picked up a bunch of 1R. We're not running Ignite no more. Sorry, you guys were great to us, but yeah. And here we are. Ooh, sequential. This is for actually the world's fastest Type R. You guys haven't seen on our Instagram post or anything, we actually do hold the world record for the world's fastest FK Type R. It cracked the trans a little bit. How fucked up is fucked up? That's fucked up. All right, man, let's get to work. Yes, sir, ski. Poor car. Still dead. At least it looks good. All right, so quick bolt check on Andrew's car. Hopefully we can make it in time for Sebring. Round 2, we got a whole lot of stuff going on here. I want to make sure things are right before we put this car through the ringer. So go check out the dyno room too. So check out this rig though, dude. So this is my the guy that does all my electrical here at the building. He built this, and this is pretty sick. Got his own box set up here. All his stuff for, like, you know, CPVC plumbing. All this pretty sick stuff. Whole bunch of Milwaukee like desk here. You even got a freaking microwave in here. So I'll run over there and check it out. Let's see what they got going on. Holy hell, we got lights. Oh, camera's dirty as always. Yes, sir, ski. Dyno is on too. It's in, ready to go. We have the guys that are painting. They were here last night painting. So as you can tell, the roof is black, the door is black. We're gonna go with like a gray, I guess. We'll do like it's gonna be like a little, I don't know how to explain it. It's gonna be like gray, black trim, basically black door over there. Where that red is, it's gonna be black. The floors, we're also doing one of those overlay epoxies. It's not going to be like those really fancy epoxies, but it's going to be obviously their Home Depot epoxy that you can get. That you kind of like prep, throw over paint, let it dry. I also got my guys that are going to clean the dyno up, probably hit it with some degreaser and stuff. We actually can't get the rollers and all that stuff wet. So yeah, it's going to put some, we're going to have some elbow grease going into this. So that's going to be cool. But yeah, man, this is crazy, man. This is it feels so surreal that we have an all-wheel drive dyno in our facility now. So cool. All right, well, let's get back to work. Hey, Gabby. Here. Gabby's moved to the back now. It's okay. LMF. Strong AF. Oh my God, who's calling me now? Oh, it's George. Okay, gotta go back to work. See ya. Quick little gotta update, a little patchy patch on Andrew's exhaust. Oh man, we got a lot of work set off for us, man. Well, since we got the electric guy here, our electrician, we decided to get these lights changed too.
Show the people the other side.
Oh.
Show the guys what they want.
There's no light because we're changing lights right here. Yeah.
See if it clears. I didn't even spin it.
Yeah, sure. Let's see if it clears. Sick. Thanks for the wheels. Took it from my FD, put it on Andrew's car. Hell yeah. Okay, other side. Oh, let's see. Yeah, we're good. Sick. My lens is dirty again. Working with no lights. You know, got to get it done one way or another. Check out the new shirts. Oh, we did just get new shirts, which we haven't taken them out of the box yet, but let's go. Let's see if we can strap this baby on the dyno today too. Get some pulls going. Round 2 prep. Yes, sir, ski. Here we are. I look crazy because I've been sweating. I've been busting my ass. I've been trying to get through orders. It's crazy, man. Like, I feel like I'm at the peak of my business right now, and I don't know. It's crazy. As you can tell, what our used to be shipping room has turned into this. We're trying to get some racks sort of like organized in here, so that way we can, you know, have all our inventory and our orders shipping out and merch racks and all that other stuff. It's a little dirty. A lot of this stuff is Sergio's miscellaneous. This is my, you know, shipping table. It would be. Got the breaker system going. Pretty nice, pretty organized. I've had my hands very tied lately to be able to kind of capture a lot of the work we've been doing, a lot of the hands-on stuff, which I promise I'll get better in that, because I know a lot of people like to see what's going on and, you know, what's being touched and what's being installed or what's doing what. But I feel like the quality video of just putting together a couple things here and there, getting straight to the point, is more enjoyable for a viewer. I don't know, that's just me. Check it out. Paint's not done yet, but we got 2 days till round 2 of PROAM. New lights look crazy, as you can tell. It's pretty bright. But yeah, check it out. Can't wait to get the walls finished. New lights, amazing. I love them. Andrew's car looks pretty cool on here. I threw my wheels on there off the FD because clearly, you know, his fronts are bald, but it's cool, Andrew. I still love you, pal. That's Sergio on the 1s and 2s over here. Yes, sir, ski. I kind of dig the orange. Oh my God, I almost tripped. I kind of dig the orange. That's pretty cool. But yeah, let's get some pools going in here, maybe. I don't know. Let's see. Yeah, I really can't wait to put freaking paint here. But yeah, let's get it. Well, so far, we've made not much. It's all good. Sergio's working his magic, and let's get some more power out of this baby. Really digging the black ceiling. Can't wait to do the walls. It's gonna be sick. Don't disregard the mess, because this is very last minute, you know? Woo! All right, so doing a quick plug change. Almost there at 500. Oh, Chris. All right, well, we're gonna check back. The guy painter is gonna do all this stuff, so yeah, let's do probably one more pool, get out of here, get the room painted, and then we will be doing alignment tomorrow, and then off to Sebring. Let's do this. All right, so we got paint going. Got to touch up a few spots, obviously. Try to get back there. I can't really get back there because there's really no foundation on top of the office. That red strip, got to get the black trim going on it. Probably just do like a backdrop right there. Disregard the mess on the dyno. We were here pretty late. But damn, man, this floor looks so good. I can't get over it. It's gonna look so sick in here when cars are freaking making passes. Oh man, I'm pumped. Yes, sirski. What? Over boosting, Papi. Well, the wastegate's working now. So as you seen in the last video, we got a dyno, as promised. Here it is. You probably saw in this video, there's a couple clips that we already had probably placed in of the painting and getting the dyno here and all that type of stuff. You also probably already know that we are driving Andrew Mauer's car from Drift HQ. It's a green 350Z. Super rad car. We've been non-stop, like, what? Somebody walked in? God damn it, George. It's okay. We're going to have to leave that. Okay. Yeah, I lost my train of thought. We've been nonstop on that car all week, probably for like, I want to say from 8 in the morning to damn near 10 o'clock at night. Basically, getting the car ready, going through the rule book, getting a whole bunch of stuff. There's a lot of things that needed to be updated on the car, which is cool. We also got new shirts. Shout out to 144 Print House, Nate Hamilton. You guys rock. Speedy delivery on these. I put this order in probably on a Friday. By Wednesday we had it. We're going to throw in their link right here for their website, their Instagram, all that stuff. Super rad. It's going to be available in the online store. We actually doubled up on our order this time. So last time we only did 48. I believe we're at 72 if I'm not mistaken. I don't remember. I have to look back, but get yours because the first order is gone, which is this one. That flew off of my hands. So I'm very excited about this. I'm just mind blown on how much we continue to grow. You know, this was all an idea, you know, at the beginning of me grabbing this facility. You know, I was renting a dyno, working hand in hand with O-Star and Sergio, doing whatever we had to do to be able to dyno and tune our cars. So now, you know, fast forward, and as you saw in the last video, this was our fabrication department. So within the last few days, everybody literally wasted no time and got to work, and we got our dyno in-house. We've made changes to the room, new lights, we've painted everything, we've doing our best to keep things we want to make it look pretty. I want this place to be like a showroom, so when people rent it, when people use it, whenever we use it, it just looks right. So I'm thankful for this, and I'm very excited about this. So stay tuned for more content that we're going to be putting from things that are going to be on here. I have seen, I mean, me and George have seen over 2,000 horsepower on this dyno. I've had, you know, the Game Changer's been on here. We've had, you know, World's Fastest Evo on here. We've had tons of Supras, you know, all year, you name it. This dyno's seen so much horsepower that it's ridiculous. So I'm excited to finally have it at our full potential and at our, you know, at my reach. So it's pretty exciting news. Let's go check out Andrew's car though. Let's see what he got going on. Oh, that's tripped on it again. Yeah, that's like the 6th time, dude. I've tripped on it like 100 times. So this has turned into a cluster. You don't even want to know what this looked like a couple days ago. Actually, this morning. So like we had the big like dyno AC thing here. We had a toolbox here, toolbox there. My shipping department, you know, I'm sorry, but I haven't been able to ship anything because everything's back there tucked away. We're working on making room to, you know, I'm probably gonna put these out there. I don't know yet. We're figuring it out. The office is a whole nightmare. We have boxes arriving, orders arriving. I have stuff everywhere, literally everywhere. So like, we're just gonna fast forward out of here. See what these guys got going on. Hello. I just asked them. What are you guys doing?
Hola, muchacho.
Drilling random holes in places.
I'm not doing anything. Starting.
And here we have Andrew's car. Shout out to Andrew. This thing has been very fun. Fellow went through it, did a whole bolt check on it, top to bottom.
Top to bottom.
Literally top to bottom. So like, there was a lot of things that needed to be changed and fixed, and here we are. We're not going to go into detail, but she should be ready. We're excited for this weekend. I haven't driven a JZ chassis before. The car sounds wild. It sounds really cool. I'm assuming it has cams and a couple other things. It's on ECU Masters. We had Sergio take a look at the map and kind of clean up some stuff in the map that Andrew had mentioned to us. So this was actually the first car on the dyno after we installed it, which you probably saw a clip of that already in this video. Not too sure if we're adding that clip in here or not, but if not, cool. It's going to be pretty sick, so let's fast forward to Sebring and see you guys there.
All right, hold on, cut.
Shout out to Moltool, part of the Poopy Racing team. We love their oils. Check them out. Berry oily.
Oh man, we gotta do the freaking Bob. If you don't run Moltool,
If you don't run Moltool, that you are. No finger.